I can help you with some information on how to remove dental plaque naturally. Here are 6 effective ways. 1. Baking soda. Baking soda is a natural scrub that can help remove plaque and prevent tartar buildup. It also has a high pH that can balance the acidity in the mouth and protect the enamel. You can mix baking soda with a pinch of salt and use it to brush your teeth regularly. 2. Oil pulling. Oil pulling is an ancient Ayurvedic practice that involves swishing oil, such as coconut, sesame, or sunflower oil, in the mouth for 15 to 20 minutes. This can help reduce plaque, gingivitis, and bad breath by removing bacteria and toxins from the mouth. 3. Good oral hygiene. The best way to prevent plaque and tartar is to practice good oral hygiene. This includes brushing your teeth twice a day, flossing daily, using a tongue scraper, and rinsing with mouthwash. You should also visit your dentist regularly for checkups and professional cleaning. 4. Water flosser. A water flosser is a device that uses a stream of water to clean between the teeth and along the gum line. It can be more effective than traditional flossing in removing plaque and improving gum health. You can use a water flosser once or twice a day after brushing your teeth. 5. Crunchy fruits and vegetables. Eating crunchy fruits and vegetables can help clean your teeth and stimulate saliva production. Saliva helps wash away plaque and neutralize acids in the mouth. Some examples of crunchy fruits and vegetables are celery, apples, broccoli, carrots, and grapes. 6. Vinegar. Vinegar is a natural antibacterial agent that can help dissolve plaque and tartar. You can make a mouthwash by mixing 2 teaspoons of vinegar, 1 teaspoon of salt, and half a cup of warm water. Rinse your mouth with this solution once or twice a week. However, be careful not to use it too often, as it can erode the enamel. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please note that these are home remedies, and not a substitute for professional dental care. If you have any serious dental issues, you should consult your dentist. Thank you for watching.